giant reversible plush. Find 1 or 2 exclusive Pikmi flips inside. I'm feeling lucky. Are you feeling lucky? And we get 8 more surprises. So I'm so excited to see what we have. Let's see. Okay, it says we have Kessie the Cat. Cotton Candy Series. I am so excited to see Kessie the Cat. How about you guys? If you're excited, go ahead and give us a big thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to the Crazy 8. And with no further ado, we'll get into the video. We also get 1 sheet, nail stickers, 10 pieces, and 1 tattoo sheet. Ooh, so exciting. Not sure how we're going to open this up, but I guess we'll just start right here on the side. Okay kids, when you get your Pikmi Pops, there's no need to have to worry about the little white strands that come on the bottom. Just cut them off. It's just to hold our lovely Pikmi Pop. I'm excited, I'm so excited. Boop, 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 boop. Let's see what we have inside. Here's our first little furry friend. I see a leg. Or is this an arm? This is a tail. Oh, she's so cute. She's a little kitty. It's her tail. Isn't that so cute, guys? Yellow ears. Pink, and she has a little pomade at the bottom. So fuzzy and curly. Okay, so we just put her right there. Oh my gosh, look at this surprise. Oh my gosh. We got twinsies. Oh. I love them. Oh, aren't they so cute together, you guys? They are just so adorable. Can't you just see them coming your way? Oh my gosh. Blue and has pink ears. Oh, this is actually a girl because she has a little bow in her hair. Oh, she's so adorable. Little pink, purple, and yellow phrases at the bottom. She's cool. Okay, so I guess we have 2 girls. Surprise item. Let's see. Oh, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh. We have so many things here, guys. All in this one bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 surprises. Oh my! It's ring surprises. Yes. And what else do we have in here? Let's see. This smells so good, you guys. It smells like cotton candy. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is cotton candy. Oh, she's so pretty. And remember, you guys, her name is Kessie the Cat. Oh, she is so precious. Oh, and so big, fluffy, and lovable. Check her out. Oh, can you dig it? With her pretty flowing tail. Oh, she's so pretty, soft, and cuddly, you guys. Oh my gosh. And here's her little babes. Here we are. Yes, oh yes. Okay, let's open up our little surprises. Oh, the first one is so cute. We have a little drawing book with our favorite Kessie the Cat Pikmi Pop on the front. So that's cute. And our next bag. Oh, these are so cute. Some little pin buttons where you can pop on your shirt. Oh, our twins. Okay, so they are definitely cute. What else do we have? Oh, we're on a roll. These are some cute things. Oh, stickers! Who doesn't love stickers? 10 stickers, you guys. Oh my gosh. Yes. And we have some bonus ones. They're so special, glossy, and pretty. Yes. I just love all of the surprises. Don't you guys? It says it is 18 surprises to collect. Oh my. And look at all the different Pikmi Pops that we can collect. I'm so glad that we found Kessie the Cat. She's so bracelets. 3 of them, pink, purple, and blue. And they have the cutest little tags to hang off of them. And they have the cutest sayings on the back. Anything's possible. Stay positive. That's so cute. Perfect in every way. Or more like perfect in every way. Oh, that is so darling. Let's just pop one just to see how it looks. Oh, isn't that darling? Cute, cute, cute. And they change faces. Transparent. Oh, too cute. I just love it, love it, love it! We have 2 more surprises. Okay, more stickers! Woo! Stickers, stickers, stickers! We're gonna be able to fill up our whole book with stickers. Oh, these are too cute! They're clear little, they're like ice cream cones or cotton candy cones. With Kissy the cat on the front and her friend. Oh. I have the cutest surprises. I love my Pikmi Pop. I think we're gonna sleep with her tonight. She's precious. Make sure you comment down below if you have a Pikmi Pop. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below if you have enjoyed this video, and make sure you join the Crazy 8 to be a part of our family. We would enjoy it. Thanks, and you guys have a great night.